Welcome to Idea Shall Learn, part 12 of SQL video series. I am Ganesh. In our previous video, we have discussed about how to use order by. And in this video, we will discuss about how to use top and distinct keywords. This employee table is the one which we are discussing so far. Let's say I want to retrieve first 5 records. I can achieve it using the top keyword. So in this select query, I am giving select top 5 star. I want 5 records, so I am giving 5. Let's execute this query and see the result. If you see the results, it retrieved top 5 records. If in case you would just want to retrieve only the name field, you can give top 5 name from employee. Executing this query gives us the top 5 records which has only names displayed. If in case you would like to retrieve the, let's say you don't know how many records present, but you want to retrieve the 10% of the records from the table. There is a way to achieve that. Select top 10% of name from employee. Let's execute this now. So only Tom has retrieved, and this is valid because we know we have only 10 records in our table, and 10% of 10 records is 1 record which is retrieved. Okay, if suppose let's change it to 50% and see what we are getting. Okay, so we got 5 records. 50% of 10 records is 5 records. When I give 70%, it returns 7 records. Point to note here is, whatever the percent we are giving here, it will not retrieve the specified number of records. It retrieve the specified percentage of records from the table. So by using this top keyword, we can retrieve the specified number of records or the specified percentage of records. Okay, let's say I want to retrieve what are all the genders which are present in my employee table. So what I will do to achieve that is, I use the distinct keyword to retrieve the distinct or unique gender type. Let's see how we can implement it. I'm copying this query. So select what I want to select. It's the gender type I need to select. And I want to retrieve only the unique records of the gender type field. So I write like this, distinct gender type. If I execute this query, it is giving me 2 records, M and F. With this, I can come to know what are all the genders of employees present in my organization or in my table. So far we have used this distinct keyword on only one field, but we can also apply it on multiple fields. The main purpose of this distinct keyword is for whenever there are multiple entries present in the table, or if there are any duplicates present in the table, this distinct keyword will help us to retrieve the records by removing the duplicates or by filtering the duplicates. That is, we will get the unique set of data. This is the purpose of the distinct keyword. That's all about distinct keyword. If you find this video useful, I suggest you to share this with your friends and colleagues. Closing it for now. Thank you.